Hey guys, thanks for tuning in again. Your views, comments, and likes really have been an encouragement, so thank you for your continued support to the channel. Okay, so here's another Monterey upgrade video. It really is amazing how many Macs will actually run Monterey, but Apple would prefer that we shred and recycle them instead. Today, we have a stock 2012 MacBook Pro with Intel Core i7 processor and 8GB of RAM. Unlike previous upgrades, where you only get partial graphics acceleration, this MacBook Pro is fully supported by OpenCore Legacy Patcher and even gets full metal graphics acceleration support. We start by giving the MacBook a good cleaning inside and out. There were quite a few large dust bunnies in the cooler. No doubt this was causing some thermal throttling for the previous owner. This MacBook came without a hard drive, so let's add an economical Kingston A400 SSD. So I know there are other, arguably better, ways, but I chose to install an official supported version of macOS so that I could easily test this Mac, check the specs, and do some OpenCore prep. This can easily be done by creating a bootable USB stick with the official installer. There are even guides on Apple's website for doing this. Just remember, if the installer says it's corrupted, it is likely due to expired security certificates. So to easily bypass this, open up the terminal and use the date command to set the system date somewhere shortly after that version was released. You can change it back after the installation is complete. From here, we can actually use the same install USB that we used on the iMac. We just need to patch the OpenCore bootloader on the stick to match the MacBook. We run OpenCore, make sure the model is detected correctly, then we build and apply the patch to the stick. Now we can install macOS the same way we did on the iMacs. In the first boot, you'll notice that the graphics are incredibly laggy, just like on the iMacs. Finish the setup, and now we can install the post-installation patches which fix the graphics and bring metal acceleration. Post-installation patches are necessary because, without them, you'll be running a fully stock macOS Monterey, which does not have the correct drivers for your model because Apple discontinued them. Patching it installs previous drivers or modified drivers so that you can get support on Monterey for your unsupported hardware. And there you have it! An easy cleanup and upgrade of a very competent system that Apple would have otherwise tossed in the shred bin. And this machine isn't just usable. It performs really well with its 3rd generation Core i7 processor, 8GB of RAM, and newly installed SSD. No issues with graphics glitches or sleep either. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit the like, subscribe, and bell icon to help this channel grow. Be sure to leave a comment. Also, let me know what type of content you'd like to see, be it more vintage computing, vintage Mac, or more modern refurbishments like this one. Until next time.